Pro-Kleen is a unique foaming acid coil cleaner designed to replace hazardous hydrofluoric acid coil cleaners. Pro-Kleen leaves coils clean, bright, and efficient. Pro-Kleen is based on a non-hydrofluoric acid formula that is safer for service personnel and the environment than typical foaming acid coil cleaners. Pro-Kleen effectively removes a broad range of soils, salt, corrosion, and inorganic soils. Pro-Kleen is simple to use, requiring a 3:1 water-to-solution mixing ratio. Apply generously over coils to achieve best results. Pro-Kleen penetrates the coil to remove stubborn dirt. Just soak for 5 to 10 minutes for the best clean. Then simply rinse the coils and you're done. Pro-Kleen concentrate is available in a 1-gallon bottle. Pro-Kleen is manufactured in the USA by DiversiTech at its chemical production facility in Quincy, Florida. Get the best clean you can with Pro-Kleen Concentrated Acid Coil Cleaner from DiversiTech.